Hey guys, your Marty Geek. In this video, I have a hands-on look of two awesome products that were sent to me by Inateck so I can try them out and make a video for you guys. So what Inateck sent me like a week ago was a Nintendo Switch case, which they're selling on Amazon, and they also sent me this awesome power backpack, which is also water resistant, so I can try them out and make a video for you guys. So of course I said yes because I really like the way the backpack looks and I like the features in it. And the Nintendo Switch case is also really cool and it's not that expensive as well. So what I'm going to show you guys first is the case for the Nintendo Switch, which is this right here. This is of course like made of a cloth but it is basically like a cloth over the hard plastic case, which looks pretty damn nice. Got two zippers, of course. It's going to open this up like that, right? And voila. So in the inside you have this right here, which is good for the case. You got a cloth for your Nintendo Switch screen, and here is where you're gonna put your Nintendo Switch, right? It's gonna put it right here. Put the Nintendo Switch right here. There you go, and there you go. Fits like that, very comfortably, and that's it. There you go. So it fits very comfortably there. It's not gonna fall because it has this Velcro holding it on right there. And what's cool is that you can easily take it out by just lifting that. So it's really cool. It also has a huge capacity for games. So if you have a lot of physical games, this will easily fit 20 freaking games, okay? 20 freaking games. And of course, this is not gonna scratch your screen at all. Here, this part right here is so huge that you can actually fit Joy-Cons in it. And you can actually fit Joy-Cons and the cable, charging cable for the Nintendo Switch. You can all fit it right there because it's actually really huge. Just gonna put the cloth in there as well. And this, close it in. And this right here, which is awesome that it has this, you're gonna put it right there, and there you have it. So now you have a very cool Nintendo Switch case that looks really nice. Now the sad thing is that they don't have other colors, so if you don't like gray, you're out of luck. But this is the only color they have, and it actually looks pretty cool. Luckily, I love gray. I love these type of colors of gray. And for me, it's really cool because not only can you fit your console, you can also fit some extra Joy-Cons. And of course, it has the wrist strap that is really cool because you can easily carry it. And this thing is not gonna fall out anytime soon if you have this secured. This case goes for around $17.99, which honestly is not a bad deal. But the other cool stuff that they sent me that I really like is this backpack case, which is of course from Inateck as well. And what I really love about this case is the way it looks. Look how cool this backpack actually looks. And this backpack is actually gray blue. It comes in 4 and 3 other colors. It comes in gray, it comes in black, it comes like in a purple type of color. I think it's purple or pink, something like that. But this one right here is the blue gray. Like you see, it's like a dark blue. It's almost like a navy blue, but they call it blue gray, and it goes for around $45. But depending on the color, the price is gonna be a little bit different because I seen the gray one for $42, the black one for $47. So you have to actually check on the Amazon website because the prices do change a lot. Let's go and show you guys all the cool features this has. It has a little pocket over here which you can fit like cables and all that. Let's go and put some cables there. Like if I want to put some cables, like charging cables for my cell phone, I could go ahead and put it right there. So this right now is going to be my backpack that I'm going to use for work. So I'm going to put my cables right there. And this is my HDMI cable to USB-C cable right there, which is going to go right there. And I still can fit a lot more if I want. Could fit a lot more stuff there if I want. And all you have to do is close it. The zipper is really good. And like, did I mention that the case is also water resistant or waterproof as well? Yes, it is. It will repel any water splashes whatsoever. So that's cool. Here it has another storage slot right here, which is really big as well. It fit your whole hand right there. It's really big as well. So what can we put there? Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put my PlayStation Vita there because the space is so big. Look at that. It's so huge that I can still fit a Nintendo Switch also as well if I wanted there. So that I'm gonna go ahead and put it right there. I'm also gonna put this wireless charging, which is also a power bank combo. I could put it right there as well too. You know what? This I could put it over here in the bottom because this right here is for charging purposes only. So I separate my pockets by purpose. So this is charging purposes. This right here I could put devices. And now I have another pocket over here, right? Huge slot right there. This opens up completely like that. Here you can put a lot of stuff. Like for example, let's go and put some pens right there if I want, you know, just like that. So I could have my pens. Over here, there's another slot with a zipper, which I don't know what I could put there, but I could put other stuff there if I want. It also has a pen slots. You don't really have to use this slot right here. You can use this slot right here for whatever the hell you want. Right here I could put anything there that requires a zipper if I want as well. There's also some more space right here to actually save like some more stuff. Like for example, if I want to put some magazines or paperwork there, I'm gonna go ahead and put my two latest magazines right now. I put them right there just in case I want to read something, right? I can also put one of these external drives, because if you're carrying around a laptop with no drive and you get somebody, hey, watch this movie and DVD or something like that, or burn me this disc or CD, you need to carry around a drive. So this drive right here is really cool. That is also available from Amazon. I'll leave links for this. I can also put it right there and it fits perfectly there. Of course, here you got more space. You can put other stuff if you want. Just gonna close that right there. And here on the main storage, this is where we're gonna go ahead and put our computer. So right here you can actually fit up to 15.6 inches laptop. This right here is a 15.6 inch laptop, Dell XPS, and look how easily it fits there. I can actually fit a bigger laptop if I want. I can also fit a tablet. So if I have a tablet that I also want to carry with me, this is not that big. This is an 8-inch tablet. I could fit it right there, and look at this. You can easily fit right here at least a 10-inch tablet if you want. But look at that, fits right there. And you have the Velcro, making sure the laptop is safe and making sure whatever device you put in here is also safe as well. Because like I said, you could put a laptop, you could put a tablet right here. What we're gonna put right here is a power bank, because remember, this is a power back backpack. And what's cool about this is that it has this cable right here, has a huge cable right here that connects to a power bank. You could go ahead, whatever power bank you have, you could go ahead and connect it right there, right? Does it have power? Yeah, it has power right there. And once you have it right there, you can go ahead and put it in this slot, right? Go ahead and put it there. There you go. So we have it right there. It fits perfectly good. And that is a huge power bank. So once you properly manage the cable right there, that way it won't be, you know, interrupting with anything right there. This right here, over here in the side, there's going to be your power port, which I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. Let's see what can we also put in there. We can also fit, we also have to carry around with this, of course, with the trusty mouse, which is an MX Anywhere mouse. I love it. I could put it right there. There's a slot right there for it as well. You can see there we got the power bank, we got the mouse, and you can fit something else there if you want as well. So we're done there, right? Let's go and close this right here. Let's go and close this right there. Also, if you have some clothes that you want to carry, yes, you will be having space to carry some clothes. Like for example, you could carry it over here if you want, but of course you're gonna have to make a little bit more space if you want, but you can still carry it in there. You can just have to squeeze it in there, make some space. And another thing, of course, is that now you also have here on the sides, you also have slots like to put your water. So you could put your water, or if you have like an umbrella, you could go ahead and put it there as well. So we could go ahead and carry around 2 waters if you want. This one actually has water. So we can put 2 waters there if you want. And how to connect the power? All you have to do is, if you're walking around, right, and you want to charge your phone at the same time, all you got to do right here, there you go right there. And there's a little port where you're going to actually put your power cable. Okay, there you go. So once you put the cable right there, this is how it's gonna look. And with the cable there, you can still put like a water device right there. No, I don't think so. Even though this does stretch, you can actually put something thinner. Yeah, I guess you can put. Just make sure it's not that big that it'll actually mess with the cable. But once you have that there, all you gotta do is connect your cable right here. You got your cable right here, and put your cell phone, and there you go. You got your cell phone is actually charging from your backpack, because we now have a power bank in the inside, and the cable connects to the power port right here, which is connected to the case on the side of the case. And now you can walk around with the backpack and charging your phone at the same time. Look at that. So now it's not charging, right? You want to charge it. Voila. There you go. So of course, charging time is going to depend on your power bank that you actually put inside of the case. So you can easily fit any type of power bank right there. Plus it has other slots, and the cable in the inside is also really long. So you can actually put the power bank anywhere you want in the package, as long as the cable in the inside can actually reach. Here, of course, it all depends to you what kind of large cable or long cable you want to put there. And I also like that it has this holder right here, which you can actually hold. It has a very nice grip, and it has the brand right there. Like you see that Inateck right there, and it's very, very thick. It looks really cool, and it's really, 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 really strong. Here in the back, I forgot to show you guys, but here in the back, not only does it have a lot of padding for your back, of course, it also has some extra like secret storage right here. Like you see there, there's another storage slot right there. Like for example, if you're carrying around your cell phone and charging, you can put it right there, and you can save it right there. Or if you're walking around and you want to save your cell phone right there, you can put it right there. Or you can put your passports, and it has a zipper as well. So it has a zipper right there. And it is like camouflage, because when you look at it, it really doesn't look like it has a storage port, unless you see the zipper, of course, but there doesn't really look like it. So it's like a very hidden compartment there that it has a zipper. It has a huge padding, which is going to protect your cell phone. If you actually put your cell phone there, it's actually going to protect it, because it has a huge padding. Or you could put your passport books, you could put it right there, or your wallet. Of course, the padding here is really cool as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on so you guys can see how it actually looks. So the backpack actually looks pretty cool, and it has this right here, these straps that you can actually, if you're going to be like running with your backpack, this is going to actually secure it there really good, and you're going to have very, very good tightness with you and the backpack. So that is going to look really cool. I also forgot we could have put the Nintendo Switch in here. Of course, gonna put the Nintendo Switch in there because it totally fits. And just going to close it up, and we're good. Like I said before, this case with this backpack with the Inateck case for the Nintendo Switch was actually sent to me so I could try it out like a week ago. And I decided to go ahead and try it out because, one, I really do believe that the case actually looks nice. I like all the compartments. I like the way it looks. It looks very, very nice and clean. For $45 or $42, whatever color you choose, I think it's a very cool deal, because you can charge your phone, walk around charging while you're charging your phone. You have a whole bunch of slots. It has a very, very good grips. The material which is done, it's really, really good. And it looks really nice. It just looks really nice. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be leaving links for the Nintendo Switch case and for the Power Backpack water resistant case, which looks really damn good, and I really, really like it. And of course, this is gonna be my everyday backpack because it's just awesome. I just like it. And thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to know anything else about the case or the backpack, and I'll answer them in my comments, okay? So other than that, thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.